Fete experience in Toronto. And this year, the fog gets stranger. This one is only $5 before 11 a.m. Your DJs and MCs ready to fog up the place. DJ DOC, Cavalier, Flex God Mix, Genesis Sound, DJ Dreezy, and yours truly, DJ Buzzer. As always, it's gonna be a night you won't forget. Things get stranger on July the 12th. Get ready to enter the fog. Fog Fete.
Who's already bought more than one party ticket for Caravana? Watch it, come up. Ready? What you do? We must up, turn up, we like us. So when I let me see you run out your back. We just rock the boat. We just rock the boat. This is what we come to do. Everybody just work. You put your hands on your knees and let me say do as you please and level the bass. Level the bass. If you don't level the bass. Bidi 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 dum dang. Ruba duba duba. But the big girl me say brudum brudum dum ba dum dang. Bang ba dum dang. Bidi bidi dum dang. Duba duba duba. Bidi 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 bidi. Ready again. Let's go. Let's go. We can take a rock. We can take a rock on the board. Remember I tell you we just rock the board. We're going from left to right, right? How is a rock to the left? Then it rock to the right. Everybody just rock to the left, rock to the right. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Rock to the left, rock to the right, rock to the left, rock to the right, rock to the left, rock to the right. You know what's going on? And everybody is a rock it, rock it, rock it, take a time on your rock it, baby, don't come and say, oh, rock it, rock it, rock it, take a time on your rock it, baby, don't come and say. Can I see a lady who can real wine? And look at her whiner. I'm looking for a whiner. Big up the girl, call you know you're sexy. Boat ride at the beach party. Tell a girl say you're hotter than she. You have no man, so you know you're stress free. Before you whine when you move your waistline, and when you be whine on time. No boring girl can't step in your line. When you kick till you talk and you rock up your spine, girl bubble, 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 bubble. Turn it up, bubble, you bubble, just a 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 bubble. Say you and your friend, you can bubble, 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 bubble. Bounce up, bounce up, bounce up, bounce up, bounce up, bounce up. TikTok like you dip on the cup, girl. TikTok, TikTok, TikTok like you dip on the cup because salty all over the private spot, girl. TikTok, TikTok, where from? Hello, girl. Hello, where from? Come on. Trinidad. We representing Trinidad. Pick up yourself. Bang, bing, bang, bing. Every girl, let me see you walk your waist now. Rumba dum dum ba 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 dum dum ding ding. Rumba dum dum ding ding ding. TikTok, TikTok, TikTok like a party in the room. One man alone and touch a private.
Salty from Trinidad.
Right, you know you can TikTok so baby. Watch out a white girl and she a TikTok man have mercy. Another uniform, TikTok, yeah. TikTok, I visit. Shake it up and show them, shake it up. Shake it up, baby, shake it up. Shake it up, shake it up. Rumba, 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 rumba. Come on, say bam, 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 bam,
Welcome back. Today we are going to Sandz. Long story short, Sandz is a all-inclusive event that originated from Jamaica. I know that it happens in New York, Miami, Atlanta, and Jamaica, of course. And this is the second year that it's going to be in Toronto. So I think in Jamaica, it's all-inclusive for like drinks and food. Don't quote me, but in Toronto, it's just all-inclusive for food in the VIP section, which I am in with my girl and some other people that we know. We are so excited to go to Sandz. My outfit, I think I know what I'm wearing. Hopefully I do. I'm re-wearing one of my outfits that I wore in Guyana because I don't think anyone's seen it still. Yeah, I'm excited. Sweetheart, what are you doing today?
We're going to Nana's house.
You're going to Nana's house? Okay. Did you have a good weekend?
Yeah.
Are you enjoying your summer vacation?
Yeah.
That's good. I had a dream that Tamia, you guys will see Tamia soon. She's the one that I'm going with. I had a dream that she went to Sandz without me and didn't even call me. Like, what type of friend does that? If we're going somewhere, because I went to take a nap and like I woke up and it was 8 o'clock. This girl didn't call me. What was I gonna say? Yeah, like, and then she came back home from Sandz and she was all pissed and she was telling me and my mom about the menu. She was like, there was escovitch, there was oxtail, there was everything, and I was just mad. Like, really, you gonna go to this event, you ain't gonna call me and you gonna come back and tell me about the menu? Like, nah, sis, that's not a real friend. Because if I'm going somewhere with my friend and they fall asleep, I will call and wake their ass up even if I gotta drive to their house. So maybe she just didn't want me to come to Sandz in the first place. I'm just kidding.
I had a dream too.
What was your dream about?
So first, my friend told me at school that when when is your birthday? And then I was like, why do you need to know? And then I got really not good. And then my mom.
Like you were naughty?
Yeah.
Okay.
My mom told me that then if she wants to say that to you, then then don't be her friend.
Say what, sis? Spill the tea. What did she say?
My birthday.
So don't be her friend because she asked you when was your birthday?
Yeah.
Why?
That's a good idea.
I'm so confused. Your mom told you that?
Yeah.
Your mom crazy. Are you mad that she asked you when your birthday is?
Yeah.
Why?
Good.
She can ask you that though.
No.
You don't want no one to know. So you don't want any gifts. Okay, well I'm gonna forget your birthday right now. Forgot your birthday. I'm not buying you any gifts. I'm not buying you any more gifts. Who are you? When's your birthday? Who are you? You back. My girl, what you do? What are you doing? Come back. Got you. Y'all, this is not my daughter. I wish. This is my little cousin. So cute with the pretty ear. The girl that knows she has pretty hair that like show off. Okay, come. You gonna help me make up the bed?
Yeah.
Let's do this. Spin wrong one time.
Oh, yeah, man, them, tell us something.
What?